No stopover point. Staying in via point for less than 24 hours is called as no stopover point. In the itinerary, it is denoted with X/code. Guidelines for one-way journey. To identify stopover point in one-way journey, count all intermediate points with a stop of more than 24 hours as a stopover point, or count all intermediate points which has no X/code as a stopover point. To identify transfer point in one-way journey, include all intermediate points as transfer point. This include stopover and connecting points. Do not include the origin and the destination when counting stopovers and transfers. Now, to make you understand more, we'll see this example. Now here we have the itinerary. The journey is Frankfurt, Cairo, Bombay, Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore and Jakarta. Now here we have to identify the origin. The origin point will be the Frankfurt. Destination point will be the Jakarta. Transfer points means via points. And the transfer points are Cairo, Bombay, Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore. Next we'll identify the stopover point. Stopover points means staying in via city for more than 24 hours.